everyone. Welcome to CUET General Knowledge episode. Let's start today's episode. First question is, which organ has regenerative properties in humans? Option A, heart. Option B, liver. Option C, lungs. Option D, pancreas. The correct answer is option B, liver. The liver has a unique capacity among organs to regenerate itself after damage. A liver can regrow to a normal size even after up to 90% of it has been removed. Next question is the Treaty of Tordesillas, 1494, divided the New World between option A, Spain and Portugal, option B, England and France, option C, Spain and Italy, option D, Portugal and the Netherlands. The correct answer is option A, Spain and Portugal. The 1494 Treaty of Tordesillas neatly divided the New World into land, resources, and people claimed by Spain and Portugal. Next question is, which organism is considered a living fossil? Option A, 𝗕𝗂𝗃𝗧. Option B, nautilus. Option C, horseshoe crab. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. These organisms have existed for millions of years with little evolutionary change. Next question is, which region is referred to as the third pole of the Earth? Option A, Greenland. Option B, Antarctic Peninsula. Option C, Himalayan Region. Option D, Arctic Ocean. The correct answer is option C, Himalayan Region. It contains the largest reserves of fresh water outside the polar regions. Next question is, the Golden Triangle refers to a region notorious for option A, human trafficking. Option B, opium production. Option C, illegal wildlife trade. Option D, oil smuggling. The correct answer is option B, opium production. The Golden Triangle spans Myanmar, Laos, and Thailand. Next question is, which Indian city is known as the Manchester of South India? Option A, Coimbatore. Option B, Madurai. Option C, Tirupur. Option D, Chennai. The correct answer is option A, Coimbatore. It is renowned for its textile industries. Next question is, which Indian state launched the first Judicial Academy? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Vikalp C, Haryana. Vikalp D, Kerala. The correct answer is option D, Kerala. The Kerala Judicial Academy was established to train judges. Next question is, the Fibonacci sequence is closely linked to option A, golden ratio. Option B, black holes. Option C, quantum mechanics. Option D, wave theory. The correct answer is option A, golden ratio. This sequence frequently appears in nature and design. Next question is, the first recipient of the Nobel Prize in Literature was option A, Leo Tolstoy. Option B, Rudyard Kipling. Option C, 𝗖𝗨𝗃𝗧𝗏 Prudhomme. Option D, Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is option C, 𝗖𝗨𝗃𝗧𝗏 Prudhomme. He received the prize in 1901 for his poetic compositions. Last question is, the 𝗕cie pipeline project connects option A, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. Option B, Tajikistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, Iran. Vikalp C, Turkey, Armenia, Pakistan, Iran. Option D, Thailand, Afghanistan, Philippines, Indonesia. The correct answer is option A, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, India. The 𝗕cie pipeline is a major infrastructure project designed to transport natural gas from the Galicianish gas field in Turkmenistan through Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. Now it's time for practice question. Which constitutional amendment lowered the voting age in India from 21 to 18? Option A, 61st Amendment. Option B, 42nd Amendment. Option C, 44th Amendment. Option D, 86th Amendment. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.